Hello, my little fish fingers. How are you all doing today? Good, I hope. Mr. Wonderful is really doing good today. So today, we're going to do a shilling. I've done all old British coins for the last few videos, if not, I'll have to do something different on the next one. Right, this is 1949. This was a really good year. A great year. I don't know what for, but it was a good year. Every year's a good year, isn't it, if you're still alive? Right, first of all, we've got to punch a hole in it. Great news about my Christmas. I couldn't get anywhere, but the market I work on, they're putting these little cabins up, and I did apply and I got one. So that's good news. I've got somewhere to go for Christmas. It'll be lonely this Christmas without you to hold this Christmas. Let's go to Big Bertha. Thank you very much. Right, there she is. Looking rather sexy today, Bertha. Right, let's give it a bit of the old one too. And punch a hole in it. Here she comes. Lovely jubbly. Okay, back to the table. Yeah, I'm chuffed about the Christmas. Only trouble is, I'm not going to be home for my girlfriend hardly at all at Christmas. It starts on the, I think it starts on the 11th of December. And finishes on the 11th of January. Because we used to get a lot of Russians come over, because their sort of Christmas sort of sketch is sort of after normal Christmas. And but obviously now the Russians aren't coming, so I think it's going to be pretty quiet, but we'll see. I'll keep you informed. I'll even do a little video of the my little cabin if you're interested. Right, I will now, this is Christy Burgess, cleans up the edge. I will now eat it up a little bit with my little friend. You don't need to see the annealing, you've seen it 1,000 times before, so I'll be back in a minute. Okay, it's been annealed. It's looking a bit sad at the moment, but that cleans up. So we're going to go with this sunny side up on the ring. So I bring in dimples, and we will no. Yeah, I can use this one. Just want to get it nice and level-ish. We'll go over to Big Red. There he is, Big Bad Red. And now we want one of these. These are 17-degree folding dice. Does that fit in there? Yep. So let's put a bit of jollop in there, shall we? Make things move a little bit nicer. Bit too much as usual. Perfect. If you've recently subscribed, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. It's funny, in the summer, I won't get so many views or subscribers. I was thinking, oh, well, you know. But now it's picked up again. And I think It's because obviously in the summer everybody's out and about and enjoying the sun, and got things to do. But now it's getting cold and dismal, and people watching more YouTube. So thank you so much. Because this is only my excuse me. This is only just over my first year doing this. So right, let's get out a nice clean piece of sandpaper. We just want to clean up the edge. Beer. I will be getting some more sandpaper. Probably tomorrow. How's that looking? Not too shabby. You just want to make sure there's no cracks forming or splits. There you go. So now he can go over to Spike. There he is, looking good. And this is a ring stretcher. And he stretches your ring. Thank you very much. Okay. Right. Bit of kitchen roll just protects the inside detail of the coin ring. You give it a bit of a turn each time. It stretches your ring equally all the way around. Right, there you go. Right, I'm going to give this another bit of love and affection with Bernie the fire starter, because it's work hardening. You've seen it before. So I'll stop the video and I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I just annealed it again. So I'll give it a bit more. Stretch it out a bit more. If you're looking for a coin ring, I'll happily make you one. I've got loads of different coins. You can even send me your own coins. I ship all over the world, and everybody gets a video, so they can watch me make their ring. This is going to be a narrow banded sort of ring. I like the wide band, but a lot of people like narrow bands. I can make them even narrower. You just use a bigger punch. The bigger the punch, the narrower the ring. I think that'll do. See, there's no bow in it. It's just a bit cone shaped, which is what we want. So we can now go down to the bottom end of the spike. And these are reduction dies. Let's zoom in a bit for you. Right. You just want to find one of these where it protrudes a little bit. Like that one's not too bad. Let's put a bit of jollop in there as well. Too much, much too much. That just helps things slide a little easier. You don't want to go crazy, little increments. There you go. And it's pretty damn good if you ask me. There's no lip I can feel. You can catch it with your finger, there's a lip. There it looks like there's a lip, but there's not. So let's break out the one and only Kate Bush and David Dremel. And get the fire scale off. This is like Quad Zero steel wool. It doesn't scratch the coin, it just takes the fire scale off. You got any questions or certain coins you'd like me to turn into a ring? Drop them in the comments. Any questions at all? I'll gladly help you if you just started this game. See this reeded. Right, that's how that looks. I like this look. We call it the Edwin look on this channel instead of the satin look. We have to be a bit different here, you know. So let's take out the one and only Kate Bush. Let's install Felton John. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. If you like this ring and you prefer the Edwin look, I just have to run over it again with Kate. Right. This should come up quite nice. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to subscribe, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of this video. If you hit that, stuff happens. I don't get any money out of it, it just helps my channel grow a little bit, you know. It just shows me a bit of love. And we could all do with a bit of love, couldn't we? This crazy world we live in nowadays. Yeah, bloody Christmas, eh? Jesus, what? This Christmas. Right, we'll do the inside. Right, what we got? Let's give it, let's clean off the old mingers first. Get some of the crap off my hands. Yeah, dismal old day here today. Drizzly old rain, you know, very fine stuff. No blue skies today. It's dull. No wind though. It's not that cold, about +5 or 6. I do like the no wind living in Finland, you know. Or sometimes when I'm on the market, you might by the sea you get a bit of wind, but even then it ain't horrendous. Right, what we got? What have we got? My girlfriend also finishes polishing these up because my hands are still covered in crap. 1 shilling. That's why I use the kitchen roll on the inside so you don't lose any of the detail. So George. How's it going, George? You had a good day, mate? Hey, quite pretty, eh? Right, what size we got? We have got, and you always measure from the reeded side. That's the thickest part of the coin ring. This is a size 10, 10.5, nearly. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. I can do magic, right? It fits his finger perfectly though. So thank you all for watching. if you'd like to hit the like button to show me some love, I'd appreciate it. Little button down there, where is it? There, hit that. Come on, stop mucking around, hit it, hit it, hit it. And yeah, so I hope you're having a great day. Keep smiling, don't let the bastards get you down, and God willing, I'll see you on the next one. Behave yourselves. So bye bye.